I'm out here in Fire Mound, Texas, and the homeowners supplied me with some brick, which is original to the house. And what little small repair I'm going to do, I do have my blanket already down. I'll have another one I'm going to put out here that I can put the wheelbarrow on. Cleanliness is next to, but we've got a crack going above the, a significant crack that's going above the electric outlet. It actually is below it too, but I'm going to patch that one cracked brick right there and that one, that little that crack there. We don't want, water gets in masonry, but not, you don't want it excessive. And then I'm just going to grind that out, and then I'm going to cut that brick out and replace it. And then I'm going to grind out up to there and up to there, and then replace it with mortar. To be continued.